guys, I wanted to share with you my kick spindle. I got it a couple of months ago and I've been working with it since then, and I've gotten quite comfortable with it. So I thought I might share with you some spinning on it. Here I have what's left of a basket of fin. This is from my fin sheep. It was rinsed once. It still has some of the character left to it, some texture, some lock structure to it. And I'm spinning on the kick spindle a textured yarn. I'm leaving out some fluffs and puffs and making it textured. So what you do is I put my foot on the base right here, because normally what I do if I'm on a floor is I have a very small bath mat with a rubber backing, and it seems to work better. You know, so I don't move it around, because when I really get going, sometimes I do move the base. It's a heavy base, and you can use it without putting your foot on it. It's just sometimes when I get going, I do move it. But you just draft out like you do with a drop spindle. The twist is traveling up, and I'm leaving a lot of texture in it, some puffs and some end of the locks. And you could continue to keep going. You could draft it out really far up to the side, but I tend to stop right there because I have a little bit of a shoulder issue. So then you just, whoops, we don't want it to twirl on up there, but then you can just give it a kick and twirl it on, or use your hand. So one more quick time. Give it a little kick, draft. And I find it really fun. It's really enjoyable. And talk about portable. I mean, so easy. Vacations, anywhere. See how easy it when you give it a little kick with your foot, and the twist is just traveling right up it. And it really is enjoyable. So that's my new tool, the kick spindle. Now look at all that's on here too. I mean, this is quite a full bobbin, so you can really put a lot on. So I'm almost done filling this. I think I can get more on it comfortably, and then when I'm done, I'll ply it. I'll probably ply it on this kick spindle as well. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll give one a try if you have the opportunity.